I'm either a boring nerd or a cute kitten. Why can't I be cool?
One thing I've learned as a dog about being a cat is that you can be anything you want to be. But being a cat normally involves sleeping and snacking.
And that's totally you, Munchkin.
But I don't want it to be. I want to be cool. Like that.
Muncho the cool cat.
Who's the new kid?
Huh?
What?
Call me Muncho.
Ha! Muncho the cool cat. You did it. Nice.
Astronomy today, the study of space, wide, empty, and mysterious.
Just like the space between Flix's ears.
Not nice, dude. Good vibes only.
There are 9 planets in our solar system, and they all circle around the sun. And
Yo, Miss H. Sure, there were 9 planets in the gang, but one got kicked out. Pluto was a no-no. Too teeny, you dig?
you're right, Munchkin. There were 9 planets when I was a kitten, but now there are only 8 in our solar system.
Because who was a no-no?
Pluto!
Hey, I actually learned something. I'm digging this cool Muncho. Check this out. Cat Scratcheroo. Now with my extra special Rain Away feature.
What happened to trying out the cat licking method?
Who wants fuzzy fur balls?
It's all about the angles. Basic trigonometry, you dig? Who wants to see Muncho do it at the other end?
Muncho! Muncho!
I'm not too sure about this Muncho. What's wrong with being normal, Munchkin?
He seems to like it. It's really working for him.
Muncho! Muncho!